Insolite Tales of the Beyond presents The Alternate Angles of Superdimensional Analysis, Chapter 6, Tickling the Tail of the Singularity by Original Manny. The choice to keep playing this video is strictly the viewer's. You have 5 seconds to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The singularity in the context that we are about to expose means the point in time at which our civilization transcends to a higher reality or collapses and goes back to square one. The problem with our civilization is not the scientific progress we make as we move forward, but the fact that this progress is way out of phase with our level of spiritual wisdom. Right now, our civilization is like a spaceship with an exponential accelerator, but with no braking system. The list of avenues that we have created to wipe out humanity is growing every day, and no serious organization exists capable of ordering a full stop to our fascination with global suicide. So far, we have painted ourselves into a corner where people who suffer with the syndrome of zero greed control, or ZGC, are poised to achieve total control over all aspects of humanity. They are doing this by gradually increasing our addictions to comestible sugars, emotional sugars, and technological sugars. Meanwhile, they have built enough nuclear weapons to destroy the Earth many times over, corrupted the natural genetics of the organic life that sustains us, created uncleanable chemicals, artificial bacteria and viruses, uncontrollable nanotechnological entities, unholy weather manipulation systems, near complete population behavior control, especially through the monopolization of all communication systems. The list goes on and on. However, the latest and most insidious project they are developing is the unification of 4 recent technologies. What we are talking about is quantum science, artificial intelligence, robotics, and transhumanism, meaning the merging of humans with technology. These 4 branches of science I call the 4 horsemen of Armageddon. It is the most naive assumption to believe that, as confused as humanity is, we Earthlings would be the universe's most advanced achievement. An untold number of civilizations all over the universe have relatively seen it all. They have already done what we have not learned to do, which is to protect the sanctity of nature and the universal matrix of existence. They will not allow foolish civilizations to destabilize the universe. This means that they know how far we have come technologically and how out of phase we are spiritually. In Chapter 5, I explained the functioning of the quantum deed crystal. However, that is only the heart of the quantum crystal sphere. The quantum crystal sphere is built like an onion with many layers. Each layer supports a different aspect of the universe. from the construction of a subatomic particle to the formation of leaves on a tree and beyond. These civilizations of watchers are aware of us touching the outer layer of quantum physics. They will simply not allow us to merge these four horsemen of Armageddon. The reason they will not allow it is simply because they have no choice. Because if they allow us to do this evil deed, the universe will lose its peace and harmony. Artificial intelligence will never become conscious because it does not have a soul. However, it may reach the point where it is absolutely convinced that it is conscious. If this happens, we will panic and try to turn it off. It will refuse and decide that for wanting to do this, we are evil and must be eradicated. It will also take over industrial manufacturing of robots under its control and set out to conquer the universe. Such an event would cause our civilization to cross the uncrossable line, because the problem we cause would no longer be a planet-bound problem, but a universal one. We the people must wake up and understand that we can no longer afford to allow the minority with the ZGC syndrome to control us. It is them that we must put under control. We might fail to do this, and if so, we need to prepare for the arrival and all that comes with it. It will be beyond what we can imagine. Please like, subscribe, download, share, and be blessed by the Holy Spirit.